Dear children, last class we have studied about what is coordinate geometry and how to locate points and how we will express a point in a graph sheet or in XY plane. And in short, that is in a plane, if it is an XY plane, we denote a point or we express a point or we describe a point in XY plane as ordered pair XY. Ordered pair XY, and where this X is the axis that shows the X coordinate and Y, the ordinate shows the Y coordinate. Now we are moving to distance formula. The next is topic in that chapter, that is distance formula. From that name itself, it is to find distance. That is, it is a formula to find distance. So, for finding distance, for taking distance, we need minimum 2 points. Isn't it? We always call that path as distance between 2 points. Okay, so here we are going to find distance between 2 points. For that, consider 2 points P, X1, Y1. I told you, in general, a point in the XY plane is expressed as XY, ordered pair XY. So, if you want to take 2 points or 3 points, we can express it as x1, y1, ordered pair x1, y1 or ordered pair x2, y2, x3, y3, etc. Here, for the time being, we are considering 2 points P and Q, and the ordered pair for these 2 points are x1, y1 and q, x2, y2. So, we are going to find the distance between this P and Q. Okay, so let us draw that, or let us express that, mark that point in this XY plane. Now this is X and here it is Y, it makes an XY plane, and this is the point P, its ordered pair is X1, Y1, and for Q that is X2, Y2. So x1 shows how far it moves along the x-axis and y1 shows how far it moves along the y-axis. Now x2, y2 shows the same. X2 shows the distance covered along x-axis and y2 shows the distance covered along y-axis. And now we are going to find the distance between this P and Q. Draw a vertical line towards the x-axis. Okay, and let us mark this meeting point as A. And another one we are drawing here from Q and we are marking it as B. So, what is this distance? P, x1, y1. So, x1 shows how far it moves along x-axis. So, this point A is x1. 1, 2, 3 we are marking now. So, here it is x1. This point is x1 or x1, 0. x1, 0. Then what about this point? This point is x2 or x2, 0. Here in the x-axis no y coordinate. So, it is x2, 0, x2, 0 and this point is x1, 0. Like that, let us draw 2 horizontal lines to cross this y-axis or towards this y-axis. Now, these are the 2 points and let us mark it as here it is A, B. So, let us call these points C and D. So, what is this C? Which is this point C? It is y1. Or we can call it as 0, y1 because here no x coordinate, only y value is there, x value is 0. So we can call it as 0, y1 and this point obviously it is 0, y2. So these are the coordinates and the points. So we have analyzed this distance between, or this line made by these 2 points P and Q. Okay, now our aim is to find the distance between this, or we want to generate an equation for finding the distance between any 2 points in an xy plane. So let us extend the CP to meet this BQ. A, B, C, D. Now we can give here the name as E. Okay. Now you can see that this PQE makes a triangle, isn't it? PQE makes a triangle, and you can see, you can notice one more thing, that this is a right angled triangle. Okay, so and we have studied right angle. If it is a right angled triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, because this, for a right angle triangle, this side PQ here for this one, and PE makes the base and EQ makes the altitude or height. So together we can apply Pythagoras theorem there. Now this, for finding or the Pythagoras theorem, how we can apply it? We are asked to find, or we are intent to find PQ, distance PQ, isn't it? And now we have found that this PQE is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, isn't it? So PQ is the hypotenuse, isn't it? So we can write like this: PQ square is equal to PE square plus QE square, isn't it? PQ square is equal to PE square plus QE square, and this is what we are asked to find, or we are trying to find PQ, distance between P and Q, or what is that length P and Q. So we have to find this. That's why we apply that Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so for that we need this PE and QE. Let us check what is this PE and QE. You can see that, see, PE is same as AB, isn't it? PE is same as AB. And what is this AB? It is on x-axis, and you can see it is here up to this B, the distance is x2. It's x2. Okay, from this 0 to B it is x2, and from 0 to A it is x1. Then what is AB? Then AB is equal to x2 minus x1. And in the same way, similarly, you can see that this much, this here you can take here O, origin, OC, it is y1. Then what about OD? It is y2. So what will be? QE is CD. QE is equal to CD. And what is CD? It is y2 minus y2.